Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection. This matters because low charge or a bad Bluetooth link mimics a hardware fault. First, place both AirPods in the case and charge for 10 minutes, then connect to your device. Once done, play audio, switch mono/stereo in accessibility settings, and test left and right individually to isolate whether it's the AirPod, the case, or the phone. You now perform deeper steps that fix common issues. Carefully clean the mesh and charging contacts to restore connection and sound. Avoid liquids inside the speaker. After cleaning, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears pairing glitches. Make sure to keep them in the charging case next to your iPhone to allow firmware updates, because firmware can resolve. You finish with verification and a targeted escalation plan. Test each AirPod on a second device to determine if the fault follows the AirPod or the original device. This reveals whether it's hardware. Check audio balance and accessibility and reset network settings on your phone if needed, because software can misroute channels. If the problem persists after cleaning, resetting, updating, and cross-testing, contact Apple or an authorized repair service for hardware diagnosis and possible replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: try another device first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.